if you have bought a new domain and then you want to add a blog to Google Search Console, this video is right for you. Today I'm going to guide you on how to add a new blog to Google Search Console in order for you to get your blog post indexed on Google Search Engine, because I know there are a lot of bloggers out there facing these issues. Yes, so if you are new to this video, I'm Mike Educate. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like or a comment. Let's go right into this video. All right, so now as you can see, now let me give you an example here. If you take my site link and then you type in let me copy the link and then let me show you something. All right, so at Blogger, I copy the link, then I go on here. Let me paste it on a new tab. Let me go to the ending of the link and let's add it. So site dot with these two dots, yes, and then hit enter. You can see the blog is not found on Google Console. Yes, so this is what you are going to be. We are going to be adding this new blog domain or this new blog to Google Search Console. All right, so this is what you're going to do. Now, before you would send your blog for Google Search Console on Blogspot, this is what I want to do. I want you to scroll down at settings and go deep down and then look for this option that is enable custom robot header tags. Make sure it is turned on. Then click on the home page, put it to all and no DP. Yes, once you are done with that, I want you to click on save. Once you click on save, I want you to go on to archive and then search page tags. Also make sure that option is on no index and also no DP. All right, so once you are done with that, also then page and then post tags also as well, make sure that is also on all and no DP. Once you are done with that, also save it. Now once you are done with that, yes, let's go on to Google Search Console. So right below you will see Google Search Console. I want you to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to be taken to Google Search Console website. That is where we'll be doing our indexing. Then the next option, now you have two options, domain and URL prefix, but you'll be using the URL prefix. All right, so you're going to click on the URL prefix and you're going to paste in your domain, the new domain that you have got or for your blog. Once you have pasted that in, you're going to click on, now you're going to see verify. Yes, to verify that a blog belongs to you. Since it's a new domain, it is not a .blogspot. If it was a .blogspot, it will be easy to get it verified. Since it's a .blog or it's a .com or a .net, we would need to verify that. So to verify that, you'll be given an HTML code. Yes, we are using the HTML section. So copy that code, come to Blogger settings. When you go to Blogger settings, go to theme. Sorry, not the settings, but theme rather. Then go to edit HTML. Then I want you to go right below the header tags again. And I want you to paste the code, the HTML code you had from the Google Search Console. So paste the code in there. Once you have pasted the code in there, I want you to come back to Google Search Console and then click on verify. The moment you click on verify under the HTML tab, your blog would see something like ownership verified. So you have verified your blog and the blog now belongs to you. Yes. So once it is being verified, you'll be taken directly to Google Search Console dashboard. Now, once you're on the Google Search Console dashboard, this is what I want you to do. One, I want you to submit sitemap.xml. Yes, so click on sitemaps. When you click on sitemap, you will see something like add a new sitemap. So I want you to type sitemap.xml. Once you type that, I want you to click on submit and it will be submitted, and then your blog, you will see something like success. Yes, for the new blog. Once you are done with that, then the next thing is also to type sitemap with that dash pages.xml and then click on submit again. It is also going to be sent again, and then yes, success. Perfect. Then the next one I also want you to do is submit another. This has been provided to you in the description box again. Yes, so copy that and then also submit that to the Search Console again under the sitemap section, and yes, it is also a success. So if you are submitting these 3 links to your sitemap section, once you are done with that, perfect. Wow, you have crossed that section. We are done with the sitemap section for this. All right, now when you are done, this is what I want you to do. Click on overview. Once you click on overview, I want you to paste your blog URL. Your blog URL. So you copy your blog URL, then come on to the address bar over there where it says inspect an URL or any URL. Paste in your home page. That is the main blog link of your blog. Paste it in there. Once you have pasted it in there, you're going to see like your blog is not on Google. URL is not on Google. Don't worry. Click on test live URL. Once you click on test live URL, they are going to test that domain that you have provided to them. So it's going to test the live URL of that domain. Now, after doing that test, sometimes you see something like blog is found. If blog is found, then it will automatically get indexed on Google. if URL is not, sometimes you see URL is available on Google, and sometimes you'll not see that. But if you don't see or you see anything like that, don't worry. Just click on request indexing. When you click on request indexing, I think within the next 24 hours, the homepage of your blog is going to get indexed. Yes. Then once you are done with that, another thing I want you to do is copy 5 posts of your blog. Or you can, yes, 5 posts of any post that you want. Then come on to URL inspection again on the console. Paste the link in there, submit it again for inspection. Once the inspection is done, I want you to test live URL again. Once you test live URL again, then I want you to request again for indexing. And after requesting for indexing, there is another thing I want you to do. After you have requested for indexing, go to the top inspect page again, paste the link again, and this time add question mark m is equal to 1. Then submit that again. Once you submit that again, test live URL again, and then request again for indexing. Perfect. So once you have done that, I want you to do it to other links that are on your blog. You can do it to only 5 posts on your blog. And once there is it, send the domain, test live URL, then submit request for indexing. Then after doing that, then the second thing I want you to do is add question mark m is equal to 1 again to the same link again, submit again, test live URL, and then request for indexing. That is what you're going to do. And when you are done with these 5 blocks with your homepage, that is it, you are done. Then wait for the next day, then see the magic. You're going to get your blog post indexed on Google, and you are not even going to be always sending your blog for Google console to approve your blogs or show your blog links on their search console Google. No, it's not going to work. They will automatically get indexed on blogs Google search console for you. Very simple. By the way, I'm Mike Educate. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to leave a like button.